Welcome. Today we're talking about this lovely 2020 Infiniti Q60 rear-wheel drive coupe that we have for sale. The Q60 is our performance luxury coupe. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning design. I've never heard of anyone calling this car ugly. If you look at it, it's absolutely drop dead gorgeous. This is a beautiful example. 60,183 miles, clean Carfax, serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. Who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti retailer like us, because our techs work on these vehicles on a daily basis and are very familiar with them. This is the 3.0 LUXE rear-wheel drive model, very nicely equipped with features. We have a nice leatherette interior. It's synthetic leather, but it looks and feels convincingly real, so if you have a hard time telling the difference, I guess what difference does it make, right? Then we have the synthetic leather and stitching in the doors and on the dashboard. Really nice aluminum trim. We have a moonroof, universal garage door opener, integrated compass, nice leather wrap steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. We have a 7-speed automatic transmission. It also has a manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back, you push it to the left, you push up to upshift, you pull it back to downshift. It will give you rev match downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. We have dual zone auto climate control. We have a drive mode selector right here. That will make changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, steering effort, traction, and stability control settings. So you have a lot of different options right there. You'll notice that the Q60 has a dual display system. The top screen obviously is for the drive mode selector information, radio information. We also have a rear parking camera. 2020 is a great year for the Q60 because it got upgraded to Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto. I know a lot of people like that. So even though this one does not have navigation, with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you can have navigation on your phone and you can project it right there on the screen. This thing's a lot of fun to drive as well. We also have access to the drive mode selector right here. You can drill down a little bit deeper if you want and personalize it versus using the selector right here. You can make changes to the engine and transmission. You can make changes to the steering effort. Active trace control, brakes, individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. We also have a Bose Performance Series sound system. If you enjoy music, you'll definitely like that. Really nice color combination in white on graphite leather. Very comfortable and functional interior. You have power front seats. The Q60 is built on the advanced Midship platform. It actually shares this platform with the Nissan Z. There's a lot of sports car pedigree baked into the Q60. We've been using this advanced Midship platform and Infiniti products for a very long time. Basically since the early 2000s, when the original 350Z came out, when the Z was reintroduced in the early 2000s. A lot of Infiniti products has shared this amazing platform. It's a very balanced rear-wheel drive platform. The reason why they call it the advanced Midship platform is they take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle. So it's almost like a mid-engine vehicle with how far back the engine is. So that gives it as perfect 50-50 weight distribution as possible and helps the vehicle rotate through the corners a lot better. In fact, you could call the Q60 almost like a Grand Touring version of the Nissan Z with back seats. The engine, the VR30 twin turbo engine is the same engine in the brand new Z. It makes 300 horsepower. In the Z it makes 400 horsepower, but you can also get the Q60 with 400 horsepower as well. But I can tell you, with 300 horsepower, this thing is pretty fast. Same 7-speed automatic transmission as the Nissan Z. And I guess if you compare it to the Nissan Z, you also get a little bit more warranty with the Infiniti product. You go up to the luxury brand, instead of having a 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty and a 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty that covers the engine, with Infiniti we get a 4-year 60,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty and a 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty that covers the engine and transmission. Well, there you have it, one beautiful example of a 2020 3.0 LUXE rear-wheel drive Q60. Thanks for watching, hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.